Okay, today your title is horizontal and vertical lines. These are special cases. So in these types of lines, let's go ahead and write a note here. You're going to have only y or x, not both. Okay, so in this example, you have y equals -3. You could have had x equals -3. But on the type from yesterday, we had, let's say something like this, we had a y and an x. But today, we only have y or x. Okay? And when you have only one of them, it's either a horizontal or a vertical line. So we're going to talk about the difference today. Okay, again, just like yesterday, you're going to have materials at your table to complete these notes. So you do have graphs that you can cut and paste in, and then you will write your own table. So on these, let's start with looking at what it says. It says y equals -3, which means no matter what happens, y is always going to be -3. So I'm going to fill in all of these y's are -3. My x, I can pick whatever I want. So I'm going to still pick what I picked yesterday. So -1 up to +2, and then all my y's are -3. There's no x for me to plug in here. So all my y's are -3. So this is going to be the point -1, -3, 0, -3, 1, -3, and 2, -3. Okay, so now if I put these on my graph, zero, -3 would be right here actually. 1, -3, 2, -3. I'm going to start to make a horizontal line. So this one was a horizontal line at -3. Okay, another example. This time we have y equals 5. That means no matter what, all of my y's are going to be 5. So again, I can pick what I want for my x's, but all my y's are 5. So this would be -1, 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, and 2, 5. So if I plot those on my graph, it'd be these 4 points, and then those make a horizontal line at 5 on my y-axis. Okay, so when it says y equals 5, I like to think of that. This is my y-axis. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then my line goes through 5 on my y-axis. Okay? Okay, so let's talk about x only. So here's an example where I have x equals 1. X is my only variable. That means all of my x's over here are 1. No matter what, they're 1. And then I can pick what I want for my y. So I'm going to do -1 up to +2. And just like yesterday, you can pick what you want. When I pick for you, I pick the easiest ones to use. But you can pick what you want. So here, 1, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 2. So this makes a vertical line. Okay, lines go all the way across and they have arrows on the end. So here, my points are 1, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 2. Okay, one more. This time I have x equals -3. So no matter what, all my x's are -3. And then I can pick what I want for my y. So -3, -1, -3, 0, -3, 1, and -3, 2. Would be these 4 points. So that is a vertical line, -3. So again, I like to think of this as on my x-axis, this one's x. I'm going to go to -3, and I'm going to draw a line through that spot. Okay? But making a table always helps you for sure know which one you're dealing with. Okay, last slide, I would like you to write down these 3 bullets when you have y equals x or any form of that. So it could be anything we saw from yesterday, like y equals 2x minus 1 even. Okay, these are always diagonal. Okay, they could be going up and to the right or down and to the right, but they are diagonals. If you have y equal to a number, any number, and that is a horizontal line. And if you have x equal to a number, any number at all, it is a vertical line. Make that a little bit straighter here. A vertical line. Okay, straight up and down. Okay, at this point you can show me your notes and I will give you your assignment.